Alrighty guys, today we have another Hot Wheel video. This one is specifically into the processes of packaging and shipping Hot Wheels safely. A lot of you out there are collectors, and some of you trade, some of you sell, some of you buy. And if you've ever bought Hot Wheels off of eBay or Facebook or Craigslist or wherever you're buying them and people have to ship them, oftentimes they arrive damaged because of poor packaging or poor materials used to ship. I've received Hot Wheels in vanilla envelopes. I've received Hot Wheels in, too small of boxes, too big of boxes, and the product ends up damaged and you're bummed because that was the Hot Wheel you've been looking for 2 years or whatever the case may be. I personally run a very successful eBay account. I sell, anywhere from 200 to 400 Hot Wheels a month. And the way that I do that with such high feedback is shipping them properly. And it all starts with the materials, guys. So if you're just starting out selling on eBay, if you're just starting out selling on Amazon or on Facebook through the auctions, maybe you just started selling off your collection because you don't want it anymore, this is going to be the best way to make sure that people come back and buy from you again and give you good feedback. First things first, you got to get the right boxes. So as you see there, the little white box is one of these. Okay, they come in all different shapes and sizes. For me and for every Hot Wheel enthusiast, they like their boxes tight but not too tight, sturdy and new if possible, and this is how they come. So they come in a foldable, basically they come in a package, and there's 50 of these or 100 of these or 500 of these. These are cheap, guys. They run anywhere from 10 cents to 45 cents, depending on how many you buy at a time. So if you buy 50, these might run you 35 to 45 cents. If you buy 1,000 of them, they're going to be 10 cents a piece. And this is a huge investment in making sure that your product gets there safely. Once you figure out where you're going to buy the boxes, whether it's Uline, Amazon, eBay, you're going to want to get the right size. If you're going to be selling 1 or 2 Hot Wheels, which is what this video is about, you're going to want to get this size here. It's the most accurate and safe size to buy to ensure your Hot Wheel gets to your destination safely and your customer is happy. When you order boxes, they always go by the inside dimensions here. This is a 7-inch long, we have 5-inch wide and a 2-inch in height box, and that's again the interior dimensions, and they fold up real nice. They're real sturdy. I think they have like a crush limit of 35 pounds or something crazy like that, so if it gets dropped or if there's another box on top of it, it's not going to crush your Hot Wheel, and that's important. This box here is what I ship 1 or 2 Hot Wheels in, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first things first, you get the box. Secondly, bubble wrap is key. No one likes packing peanuts. They're a good filler if you have too much space and too much box for too little of product. That's pretty much the only time you're going to want to use that. No one likes those big air bubble things, the 3-inch by 5-inch bubbles. Get regular bubble wrap. This bubble wrap is cheap. It comes in 12-inch squares that they just pull and come apart. You can buy it at Walmart, 200 feet of it. I think it's 16 bucks. If you divide that by, 200 sheets, it's very inexpensive. I use 2 sheets per Hot Wheel or per 2 Hot Wheels in this box. And I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. So, first things first, you get a customer that's found the Hot Wheel he's been looking for all his life, right? He's been looking for this beautiful Ford Shelby GT350R. Beautiful Mustang. Okay. Now he paid you the money and you got to ship it. I'm going to adjust the camera here. What you're going to do is you're going to lay this down, 2 sheets. Okay, 2 12-inch by 12-inch sheets. You're going to take the car and you can put it about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch away from the edge. And that's going to protect these corners as they are the easiest damaged on all Hot Wheels. You're going to take this and you're going to lay it over. It's very important you tuck right here and roll it over just like a burrito. And then you make sure you protect the card So you put your finger there and you fold it over. Now, where most people go wrong that package right is they tape this. They'll tape it here, they'll tape it here, they'll tape it down here. It's very important that you don't tape it. If you have the right size box and you use the right amount of material, you can close this up. Nothing's going to happen to your Hot Wheel. It's going to go all the way across country, bouncing around in a truck. You're going to open it up, and voila, it's beautiful, right? Nice way of opening it up. It was very presentable. And there's no tape. The reason no tape is important is because if you tape it, the person has to use a knife or scissors. They could cut their finger, they could cut the card, they could, cut something they don't want to. If they pull on it, they could bend the card underneath here. They'll pull the blister off. If you don't like the way that this fits, you can always take one more sheet and you fold it up. You can put it in just like so, and that'll give you a real nice firm, coverage. And that way there, if something were to press, it presses on the bubble wrap before the blister, and that'll help protect it more. All right, guys, that's how you ship one. Again, no tape. Just ship it like this. Then they can reuse the box if they need to. If you're trading, they can reuse the bubble wrap. This is nice and still new, just like so. Car comes out, and it comes out beautifully. Next up, we're going to show you how to ship 2 Hot Wheels. Now, 2 Hot Wheels is a little different. The way that I ship 2 Hot Wheels, the best way that I found shipping 2 Hot Wheels is to cut about 4 inches or so, maybe 3.5 inches off of your 12-inch sheet, so that your Hot Wheel fits with about 1/4 to 1/2 inch here on the bottom and 1/4 to 1/2 inch on top. Why that's important is because when you fit it in the box, you're going to want to do a few things to make sure it's safe. With that extra material that you have, you are going to roll it up. Okay, so this is just the excess that was cut. You can fold it up however you want. Most people just roll it up. And you want to stick that there. And why that's important is when you're shipping 2 Hot Wheels, without this material here, this is really flimsy and it could bend the card. And it creases the card and devalues the Hot Wheel. It makes people upset because it'll sometimes cause the blister to come off the card. And so it's just an extra layer of protection to ensure the safety of your Hot Wheels when they travel across country or overseas or wherever you're shipping. So you just roll it back up just like so. You can see that I have a nice inch or so of material, from the Hot Wheel. What you want to do is always make sure the flap goes on the bottom. Look how presentable that is, guys. You've got cushion on each side, so there's cushion there. There's cushion on the top, there's cushion on the bottom, and both sides here. It also gives you enough room to slide the card of the box, or the flap of the box, straight down without damaging anything. Again, boom, 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 shake, 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 all the way to your house, or your customer's house. You open it up and it's beautiful. You can leave a nice little sticky note saying thanks, hope to do business again. You picked an awesome Hot Wheel. You can write on the box here. Sometimes I do that. Hey, thanks, you picked out a good one, or hope to see your business again, whatever the case may be. Again, I used no tape. It's very important to use no tape. No one likes to pull that tape off and bend their card, or use scissors or a knife to cut it. Hopefully this has been an educational video that you guys can use and ship your Hot Wheels safely without any issues. As you can see, I've got a lot of Hot Wheels there. These are some of my collection, and hopefully this will help you guys out in future business if you're just starting out with eBay. I'd like to do more videos like this in regards to shipping. I could show you how to ship multiple Hot Wheels. I could show you how to ship different size die cast, 5-packs, car culture, premiums, whatever the case may be. If you guys like this video and you want more information on how to successfully ship your product and make your customers happy, please leave questions and ideas in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you want to see more videos in relation to how I run my eBay account and store, I'm happy to do videos on that as well. Just let me know. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. That helps me out, and I can do more videos like this for you. Thanks so much for watching, and take care, you guys.